So you got a problem like this, which has a bunch of nested roots here. And what I did is I looked at each of these and said, you know what, I'm going to write that with exponents. So z to the 1/3 raised to the 1/2 power. And then I have the square root of all that. So it's y times that. But then that whole thing is raised to the 1/2 power. And then I've got one more root, which encompasses the x to the 5th term. And all of that is to the 1/2 power. So the way to get going on this one is to work from the inside out. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to drop this first parenthesis, the innermost parenthesis, the green one. And what's going to happen is that 1/2 is going to multiply the 3 here. So I'll get 3 halves there. So it's going to look like this. Log of all this times y times z to the 3 halves. Okay, so I got rid of the first parenthesis. Now I'm going to get rid of this next parenthesis. So I'm going to drop this parenthesis, and just like this one, the 1/2 multiplied the 3. Here I'm going to have 1/2 times this and 1/2 times the exponent for y. Now it's not really written, but what exponent is understood to be out there in front of the y, or as part of the exponent of y? It's just a 1. So when I remove the parentheses on that one, I'll get my x to the 5th, I'll have y to the 1/2, and z to what power? Anyone? 3/4, because 1/2 times 3 halves will give me the 3/4. Now I got to do this game one more time. I'm going to get rid of this last set of parentheses so that 1/2 has to multiply each of the exponents on the inside. So 1/2 times 5, 1/2 times 1/2, 1/2 times 3/4 gives me log of x to the 5 halves, y to the 1/4, and z to the 3/8. Yay. Okay, so then what? Let's see. Now I'll change this log of a product to the sum of the logs. So it's going to be log of x to the 5 halves, log of x, there's log of y to the 1/4, log of z to the 3/8. And as a final step, I can use what I sometimes affectionately call my parachute rule. Those terms are going to kind of jump out in front. So last but not least, I'll have 5 halves x, log of x, 1/4 log of y, and 3/8 log of z. So, bam. Does that clear things up there, Sean? All right.